Hello everyone, welcome to another Trello tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to copy a board in Trello. Now this is very simple, guys. So all you have to do is go to your board right here. So let's say I want to go to this board right here. From this board, what I can do is I can go here and create a board from this template. Now I already created it, but what I can do is I can go here and actually I will show you on another board, which is this board right here. And what I can do is I can go here, I can go to more, right? So 3 dots, and then I can copy a board. Once I copy a board, it will ask me where do I want to copy this board, right? How do I want it to title it? Let's say sample, and then where do I want to put it, right? Let's say SAS, and then we can click create, and that will create the whole another board, a copy from this board to my workspace, which is called like this. And that will be pretty much it. So that is a really simple overview of how to copy a board in Trello. If you have any questions, in regards to copying, cards, boards, anything like that, we're posting 5 videos a day about Trello. So if you have any questions, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.